Okay, in this video, we're going to walk through how to find the case studies or a case study that's listed on a company using the domain name and OpenAI's API key to do so for literally cents. So I've got my table here, which has company names. I've just got a few examples here and the company domain. I then need to click on add column and add enrichment, or I could click on the add enrichment button over here. Add enrichment. Going to click AI, use AI. And then I'm going to browse templates, and as you'll see, there's lots of templates in here, but I'm just going to use the find case study. Now the prompt is going to look for one case study on the following company, and it's going to use their company domain, so all of the domains that are here, and it's just going to output simply just one case study, which you may want to use in your outreach. I'm going to change the model to OpenAI, and I'm using 4.0 mini because we really don't need a lot of kind of computing power to do so. I'm going to save and then save and run on 10 rows. And what's going to happen now is it's going to look at the company domain and it's going to pull out just one case study they've got listed on the domain. So this will be loading any second now. Now you could use this company name of the case study in your cold email outreach. So you'd have that as a merge field and then use Luxair, for example. So if we have a look at the reasoning, the website mentions how Payhawk helped Luxair become a cashless business as a case study. Now, to actually use this in your outreach, you would need to add a field. So the result field here of the company name, just going to add that as a column. So I'm going to call it customer case study. Create that column and it will automatically populate there. Now you need to make sure that you have a backup or fallback plan for when somebody has none found. Usually when it's none found, it's because the logos that they have on their website might be, or the companies that they have on their website as case studies might just simply be images and they don't have any indexable case studies to find. So whenever you're running any sort of enrichment like this, make sure that you have a fallback option if you can't find that data. But as you can see here, we've got all of these customer case studies from these various domains.